Hi, how are you? My dear friends, today here I am going to give you a very big opportunity which is changing the lives of several peoples. You will see the opportunity which is rocking all over the world, and Rockstar team, Rockstar family ready to rock with you and presents you the great opportunity and welcome you all great dynamic leaders about the Zoom essentials. Pay attention, stay focused, and don't attend the calls during the presentation. Listen with the intention next 25 minutes. How can this change your life? About Royal Q Artificial Intelligence. Put your camera off, full focused on slides, and learn the power of this opportunity. Okay, my dear friend? Like you know that I am not your financial advisor. I am not giving you any financial advice, but do your due diligence before doing anything and any work. I am giving you the education here, and this education will be useful to you or other else. You do your due diligence. Do not stay if you are allergic to money. Royal Q, welcome to the future. Rockstar team, welcome you to the great opportunity Royal Q. Today you will see the total system is going on artificial intelligence. Each and every company is going towards robotic technology, towards digitalization. What does this means? This means that the time is came where the robots are taking place of the human beings. Now many people have lost the jobs because of this. So be ready for the great technologies coming up in your life and our life. We can change our life by being part of these great technologies. Okay, now here is the Royal Q. Welcome to the future. Quantitative trading strategy grabs the era of digital currency dividend. Quantitative trading Royal Q begins a preview of tomorrow. Artificial intelligence, simple and easy to create. Okay, my friend. Here, what is Royal Q? Royal Q is giving you the quantitative trading in the 24/7, 25/7 real-time monitoring, real-time market conditions, and big data algorithms while adjusting the market datas. And you can see they are trading by the intelligence, automatic intelligent trading and real-time monitoring. This is the beauty of Royal Q robotic technology, which gives you very big system by which you can generate the profits 24/7. Okay, here what is the safety? Here Royal Q never stores your funds. Royal Q don't take your fund. It's always you keep your investment in Binance or Huobi exchange. Binance is opened in 2017 and Huobi is very much old exchange. Royal Q is only allowed to execute the spot and margin trading through a secure API integration between the exchange and Royal Q platforms. Your funds can be therefore be instantly withdrawn at any time you need it, you deem it. Okay, so you are 100% safe by the system. You are keeping the money in your banks like Binance and Huobi exchange, and only we are giving the permission to Royal Q for trade to fiat and spot trading. Okay, by API integration. Quantitative trading strategy algorithms to automatically match quantitative trading strategies that are suitable for the current market situation. If the market situation is very fluctuous and fluctuation, then the profit will be generated very big, and if the market situation is normalized, then profit will be low. So it can be quantitative trading uses trends and failure to match in the time using corresponding strategies. This is the beauty of this big Royal Q trading opportunity. Okay, now artificial intelligence algorithm 24/7 seamless intelligent tracking, powerful data analysis, and processing capabilities and ability to execute corresponding operation strategies. Simple and easy to use, because you have to bind the Huobi and Binance exchange by API, select the corresponding currency, select the corresponding strategy style, and select one click start. Then they can realize intelligent full style quantitative financial management. Real-time strategy according to different styles of user. Self can adjust the operation real-time strategy. Royal Q will take you through the bull and bears. security. Ignore the bulls and bears. Two-way arbitrage and funds security cross the bulls and bear. There you will be not getting any loss. Zero loss strategy are there. Okay, my friend. The advantages of Royal Q quantification system. The multi-strategy, multi-technology fusion intelligent quantification mechanism, and they are giving a very maximizing, they are giving their customers maximizing their profits. Okay, the road to quantitative learning from scratch. There is a time where you can learn from the scratch how the system is working, and now the Xiobi will become a quantitative master in a short time, and Royal Q quantitative robots to maximize profits in digital currency investments. The course includes programming, mathematics, statistics, examples, statistics, research, financial market, and the quantitative knowledge, as well as the API operation of each exchange. And the Royal Q quantitative robot uses process and operating specifications. That is the beauty. Okay. Now, what is Royal Q is spreading in which countries? It is spread to 15 countries: China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Nigeria, Pakistan, Italy, India, Ghana, Korea and Maldives, Thailand and Bangladesh, and so on. It is expected to be in 30 countries within 6 months. It is expected to reach 100 countries within a year. It is expected to generate 1 million USDT revenue for users within a year. Royal Q quantification advantage: 10 highlight systems. Self-run technical system. Backend technology can be ready to support and optimization of the system to better data security, a big brand operating philosophy, and supports Android and iOS system. Supports a language customer service 24 hours online. Okay, and you can see multinational language education and training system. Funds security in Binance and Huobi. Top 50 major currencies, basic and professionals, and professional gains and pipeline gains. And Martins improved multiple investment strategies. Fuel is charged for profit. Quantitative KOL circles, single guidance of professional masters, platform social circles. All these you get in the single platform. Royal quantification advantage. Okay. Now you see what is the difference between the crypto market from the other trading markets like forex and commodity. Crypto goes on for 24/7 spot and fiat, and forex goes for 24/5. Leverage to trade others, and markets have time limitations. So crypto trading is much more better than all other markets. Here working of Royal Q, you can see first order, if $10 order is placed, then it will go up in 10.16 and then came to 10.129.3 sell, and your profit will be 0.129. And then again other strategy, by $10 you 2.5% up, the 10.25 then down 2.19, 0.219 will be your profit. Like this strategy they are working. Now you see can this also by averaging $10 purchase, 10.12 market comes down, they purchase again $9.5, then again it goes to 30.6 total purchase. Average your profit will be 0.508. That is the beauty of this Royal Q. Now how to start? Register first by the link you have got from your upline, and activation fee USDT 100 annually, annual charge. From other market competitors they are taking only one time robot fee, that is one time annually fee, and that is $100. You are purchasing a robot for annual subscription 100 USDT, and reserve fuel fee is USD 20 to total 120 USDT for startup. Fund your account profit sharing, fund your account of Binance and Huobi Global Exchange. Then the profit sharing is 80/20. What is 80/20? We will explain future. When you get the trade profits, they will take the 20% of profit, which will be less from your fuel fee. As soon as your fuel fee comes down, you have to again recharge your fuel fee. Okay. Now you can see the most credible intelligent quantitative robot, Royal Q. Here application you can download. Annual signature is $100. As I have said, this is the product which you buy for annual subscription. Simple and easy artificial intelligence operate, performance rate 20%. Okay. Now you start up now. Sponsor link copy, and then you can download your app from App Store, register for free, activate the annual subscription by USDT TRC20. Here, what is the other thing? That is the only trading strategy which you are getting. In that, RoyalQ Robot will give you the profits from your own trading trading profits from Binance and Huobi. That is passive income. But for your financial freedom, what is that? VIP membership. When you take the VIP membership, like you have purchased the Robot for 120, 20 fuel charge and 100 for Robot. You can get the team rewards like Robot Startup Reward, team rewards like V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. Royal Partners. You can see the growth of the whole system. That is a very big system. In $100 annual subscription, company only takes 30%. 70% is distributed in the network. Okay. In fuel charge, only 4% charge to company. Other whole is distributed to the network system. Okay. Now you can see Binance and Huobi status VIP 1. When you join, you become the V1 membership and you get 24/7 intelligence algorithm. Your system is being started and you become a V1 member. As soon as you refer anybody, you get referral bonus as a 30 USDT, means 30% from your direct. Maximize your directs and get 30% from your directs. You earn a dividend of 20% of your team's profit generated by Boost every trading hour. The profit which you are getting from your team as a trading, you will getting the 20% of that trading profits from your direct income, direct V1 membership. Now here, what is the benefit of V1 membership? You can maximize your directs, you can maximize your direct referrals, you can earn a dividend of 20%. Okay. Now what is V2? V2 membership, you have to directly register 3 V1 boat users. You should have the 3 V1 boat users and 20 users in the entire team. Total team should be having 20 members and 3 V1 members. You will earn 30% of your direct persons, your direct peoples of V1, and performance fee. You will get 20% of the profits from the trades generated from the total your downline trading profits. Okay, you will get 20%, but if you are at the stage of V2 and under you is V1, then you will get only $10 USD from new active users from your team under your V1 membership. If same membership is created under you, you will get no profits from your direct referrals and their team. If you want, you have to change your criteria, change your membership level. Okay. So you get 10 USDT for every new active users who joins under your team indirectly at infinity levels. When your downline is at V1 membership, then you will get this profit. Okay. Now V3 membership. If you directly register V1, 5 V1 boat user, 5 V1 boat users in your direct, and 3 V1 members should be at V2 levels, and 100 team members should be there for achieving V3 membership. Benefits: you get 50% of your direct referrals and you earn 40% dividend from your fuel fee as generated by the as your trading profits, the trading generated by the boat, and you get 40% of their dividend. But if you are having V2 membership under you, then you will get only the differential bonus for the things. If you are having V1 membership under you, you will get 20 USDT from each user under the V1 membership. If you are having V2 membership under you, then you will getting 10 USDT for each new active under that team. Okay. Pair rewards 5% whenever you will be at equal level and your downline will be at your equal level, then the 5% of total among the pairs will be distributed equally distribution. Okay. Now my dear friends, next level is V4. you have to direct register 8 V1 boats users, 3 should be at V3 positions, and 300 users in the team. Okay, you will get 60% direct referral from the referral bonus, and 50% of the dividend from the 20% of their boat trade generated by the boat. Means you are getting 50% of your directs from your V1 membership, but you will get only 30 USDT, because V1 membership differential amount, you will get 30 USDT for active users if you are having V1 membership under you, and if you are having V2, then you will having 20 USDT from each member. If you are having V3, you will get 10 USDT from that team, and if you are having same level V4 membership under you, then pair reward will be there, 5% peer to peer 5% team reward will be given to you. Okay, that is the beauty. V5, you have to enroll 12 V1 boat user, 12 direct referrals, 3 members should be at V4 position, and 800 users in the team presented by your downline. Okay, you will get 65% of direct referrals, and you will earn 55% of the 20% of the profits generated by the boat. Okay, but if you are having V1 membership under you, you will get 40 USDT from every active user V1 team. Okay, if you are having V2 under you, then you will get 30. If you are having V3 under you, then you from that team you will getting only 20, and if you are having V4 under you, then you will getting 10 USDT from each member from that team, and you are having V5 under you, then you will be getting no direct referral but $1.5 from that V5 membership, and fuel charge you will be getting 5% wherever there is an even distribution among the pairs. When the same levels in V4 and V5 is achieved, you will not get any direct referral amount, because only you will get the $1.5 from V4 member, every member under your that teams. Okay, and the V6 membership now. V6 membership is a royal membership, and you have to directly register 20 VT boat users. At least 3 members should be at V5 position, and 1500 users should be in your team, and you will be getting 70% directly referral bonus from your direct referrals, and 60% of dividend from the performance fee of 20% boat, 20% trade generated by the boat. I will give you example in the next slide. You will get it all clear. And if you are having V1 under you, then you will getting 50 USD from every new user under your team. And if you are having V2 under you, then you will be getting 40. If you are having V3, you will be getting 30. If you are having V4, you will be getting 20. And if you are having V5, you will be getting 10. And if you are having same membership level V6 under you, then you will be getting no referral amount from that team, and you will be getting only $1 from each and every downline from that team. Okay, that is the beauty. And from fuel share, if same level is there, then you will be generating 5% of even distribution among the pairs, peer to peer. And global dividend, you will be getting 5% of global weighted dividend. That is a very big dividend which you will be getting at V6 membership. Okay, now example is in front of you. You can see the table. I have explained you clearly all the things. 3 V1, V2, you have to do 3 directs, and 3 V1 under you, 20 team size, 40 price of activation level, but from fuel charge you will getting 30%. And if the same level achieved under you, you will not getting any direct referral from that team. Okay, V3, you see this same thing I have explained you in all the slides. Okay, now this is the example. When you are having you are at V1 level, you direct refer 3 persons, you are getting 30% directly from your direct referrals, $30, and fuel 20% of their trading reward. Okay, their trading profits. Okay, and same you are getting from all the three persons. Now all 4%, 5%, you can direct do any number of direct referrals as you like. And if your position is at V2, if your position at V2 and under you if V1 is there, then you are getting 40% of the fuel, 40% of the direct referral, and fuel charge you will be getting 30%. That is a differential bonus which you are getting from your trading profits. Okay. Now from V2, if you are having V2 under you, you will be not getting any referral amount. Even you will be not getting any fuel charge also, because the same level it goes on zero values. Okay. When you are having V3 under you, then also you will be not getting any profits from that. Now if you are at V3 level and somebody is under you at V1 level, then you will be getting the differential amount, the direct referral amount 50%, and 40% fuel charges you will be getting. And this is V3. If you are having V2 under you, then 10% of that, $10. And if you are having fuel charge, also 10%. Differential will be there always. If the same ranks are there, differential will be cut off, and you will be getting only the 5% of the fuel P2P, peer to peer, which will be distributed among all. Okay. If you are having V3 same levels, then fuel only 5% P2P will be given to you. And V4, you will see when you are having V1 under you, you will be getting 60% and fuel 50% of your trading profits. And V4, you will be getting if you are having V4, then you will be getting fuel only 5%, and from direct referrals only $1.5 from each and every referral from that team. Okay. And if you are having V3, you will be getting $10 from all the referrals from V3 under that team, and fuel also differential 10% you will be getting from that. That is the same calculation which you will get in all the systems. Differential calculation will be there. Level differential calculation will be there. Okay. Now you see profit now. Today you can start earning profits, generating the new generation trader, Royal Q. This is the real new generation trader. So thank you very much for watching this session, and please be there with your referral links and join us. Jai. Okay.